Have you ever wondered what sets the ultra-wealthy apart from the rest of us? Is it luck, hard work, or something else entirely? Today, we're delving deep into the mindsets that separate the rich from the poor. Join me on this enlightening journey and discover the secrets to unlocking your full financial potential. It's all about mindset. The way we think about money, success, and abundance plays a crucial role in shaping our financial reality. Let's explore the 9 key mindsets that truly separate the rich from the poor. Mindset 1. The rich focus on opportunities, not obstacles. While the poor see challenges, the rich see possibilities. They have a growth mindset that constantly seeks out new opportunities for growth and success. Mindset 2. The rich take calculated risks. They understand that no significant reward comes without some level of risk. By carefully evaluating opportunities and making informed decisions, the rich are able to seize the right opportunities at the right time. Mindset 3. The rich prioritize self-care and wellness. They understand the importance of maintaining a healthy mind and body to support their goals and ambitions. By taking care of themselves, the rich are able to perform at their best and stay resilient in the face of challenges. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Mindset 4. The rich invest in themselves. Whether it's through education, personal development, or mentorship, the rich understand the value of continuous learning and growth. They are always seeking to improve themselves and expand their skills and knowledge. Mindset 5. The rich understand the power of passive income. Instead of trading time for money, the rich focus on building streams of passive income that generate wealth even when they're not actively working. This allows them to break free from the limitations of traditional employment and achieve true financial independence. Mindset 6. Rich surround themselves with like-minded individuals. They understand the importance of building a strong network of supportive and ambitious individuals who can help them achieve their goals. By surrounding themselves with success-oriented people, the rich are able to exchange ideas, collaborate, and grow together. Mindset 7. The rich think long-term. While the poor focus on instant gratification, the rich have a long-term perspective that guides their decisions and actions. They understand the power of delayed gratification and are willing to make short-term sacrifices for long-term gains. Mindset 8. The rich embrace failure. Instead of being deterred by setbacks, the rich see failure as an opportunity to learn and grow. They understand that failure is a natural part of the journey to success and are not afraid to take risks and make mistakes along the way. Mindset 9. The rich practice gratitude. They understand the importance of gratitude in attracting abundance and success into their lives. By adopting a mindset of gratitude and abundance, the rich are able to attract more positive opportunities and experiences into their lives. As we've seen, the mindsets that truly separate the rich from the poor are not simply about money or material wealth. They are about how we think, act, and approach life. By adopting these key mindsets and making them a part of our daily lives, we can unlock our full financial potential and achieve our dreams of prosperity and abundance. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey. I hope you feel inspired to embrace these mindsets and create the life of wealth and abundance you truly deserve. Remember, the key to success lies within your mind. Good luck on your journey to financial freedom.